So, hey Divya, so how long have you been practicing yoga now? Is it?
Close to 3 years.
Yeah, it's yeah,
I think it's 3 years. It's like April, it'll be 3 years. Yes. This
yeah,
April end, it's 3 years. Yeah.
correct. And how do you feel like this 3 years been?
It's really awesome. I had a life, I should say, some life-changing event happened 3 years back, and after joining your class, it brought me a lot of peace, happiness. Whenever I join the class, I feel so good, and after the class, especially because I have this neck issues, neck problem, like the nerve pinch and also one side. Whenever I join the class, I feel no pain. When I bunk the class, then at that time it is very tough. I feel I should have joined, but yeah, I don't want to. Like, you make me feel like I shouldn't miss the class, so I make sure how much ever I'm tired, even though I go to office and I'll come back. But this is like, it's a refreshing thing, not like a class, but it's nice to give a treat to the body, especially even though when you like ask us to do on our own. I can't do it on my own, because the way you tell it, it's so soothing. It's so like rhythmic, and we follow that pace and we do it very right, rather than me doing alone. So I don't want to bunk the class. I never miss the class, but whenever I miss, I feel so bad. It's so good, and I feel a lot of change in my movements, especially I couldn't raise my hands completely a lot. I couldn't twist my neck a lot. Once I do the exercises, I feel a lot of change. I feel my muscles loosen. I feel some relaxation. Certain times I feel that I can't hold it, but I can do it. But after doing the yoga with all the stretching and whatever you recommend, I feel so good. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And
So,
especially you are very awesome, Amita, and I'm very glad and blessed to have an instructor like you. So I don't know how I found you, but I feel so good from the heart. Yeah, I feel so good.
thank you,
Yeah.
thank
I
you, thank
recommend whoever I go, I tell about you, and join the class. You don't know, it's like you're missing the treasure. So yeah, I tell everyone, yeah, to encourage everyone join the class. It feels so good. Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, even your parents also joined the class and they
Yeah,
practiced.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. They felt very good, but it's a break since they came here traveling and all, and it's a surgery and all. Once I think they're planning to resume back once they're back. So yeah.
thank
And
you so
I should say Amita is awesome, awesome, and no other words I can say. Simply
much.
awesome, and the best instructor in the whole world, I can say.
Oh my God, thank
All
you.
the other therapies and all, you try to change every time. Like every day it's not like the norm, like you try to give different variations in the yoga exercise. I feel so good strengthening, like example stretching, which is very necessary for the body. Weights I would love to do. I'm planning to do at least to hold a pound from next class onwards. Yeah, I miss that weights thing, but yeah, it really helps a lot, which is needed. No need to hit the gym if these kind of instructions you give and what we follow perfectly disciplined. That is enough. That's what I feel.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you so
I
much.
appreciate all the effort you put waking up in the early morning for everyone, and try to teach. Like, if I'm out of the norm, maybe you try to tell me different exercises in between with a lot of patience, telling each and everyone according to their situation. It really helps, Amita. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, I can tell more.